Hello, so welcome to Chad and Me Solution. So for today, we will talk about scissor, how to use scissor. For example, we will be creating rectangular shape or any shape that you want. So let's just fill this with some color so that we can see what we're doing. So like that. So scissor, and then to slice this one, you need to point it here, anchor point, and then here anchor point, another anchor point. After that, you cannot see, actually you can see here that it is now divided into two here in the layer section. So click direct select, and then if you do that one, it's already divided into two. So let's try another cut. So you cannot use that one because it needs to be under anchor. I'm not sure about this, maybe because you've already used this point, but if you click this point here or here or here, see here, so that's how the slice works. And if you use it, let's try another shape. So that one. So let's try it here, center. Oh, you cannot do that one. So anchor, oh sorry, anchor point. Oh wait, here. Okay guys, sorry. Let's do it again. That's how it works. So if you point it here, it's not, but if you point it here and here, here, it's working if you point it on the lines, anchor lines. It is working if you point it somewhere here. Here. So if you direct select, you can see that it is see. So that's how you use slice scissor tool. So thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.